As you can see, I'm under the Chrysler Crossfire Srt6. I got it up on the ramps right now. I'm under here checking out the exhaust, what I want to get rid of, because I'll be hitting the muffler shop here soon when my muffler, Megan Racing muffler, comes in. But yeah, here's my catalytic converters right here on the mid pipe. And there's the restrictive resonator. No, that's the resonators, my bad. The resonators, catalytic converter. Big, huge box, ugly, trash. Goes out to a single pipe, dual tips. But yeah, I want to chop right in here in front of these resonators and weld a Y pipe, run it straight down the back. Put a Y pipe right here connecting these two, making a Y pipe, straight pipe all the way back into my Megan Racing muffler, which will replace that factory, the factory way up there. You can't see up in there, but I'm removing the cats on the mid pipe, leaving my primaries up by the header. Leaving the primaries, removing the cats on the mid pipe. And I'm getting rid of all this. I'm not sure what piping this is on the stock Srt6, but it looks like at least a 2 3/4, 2.5, maybe even a 3-inch piping. It's pretty big compared to my other cars that I have. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show. There's the primary cats up front. Primary cats running into the mid pipe. Your mid pipe cats. All the way to this fucking on a resonator and out the back into a big restrictive muffler. It's gotta go.